Hi there, welcome back to Formester. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use webhooks to integrate your Formester forms with third-party apps and also carry out a test submission. So without any ado, let's get started. So what are webhooks? Webhooks are like messengers. When someone submits a form or updates their form submission on Formester, a webhook will instantly send that information to another app. For example, you can use this webhook integration to add form responses to a Google Sheet or send notifications directly to your Slack channel when a new form submission takes place, or trigger workflows in your CRM software. Now, a webhook can come in handy if you're trying to automate your workflows and save time. For example, instead of manually filtering out leads in Formester and then adding them to your CRM, you can set up an integration which does it automatically. Now let's see how we can set up a webhook integration in Formester. Step 1, log into your Formester account and select a form that you want to add the webhook integration to. Or if you don't have any form, simply click on New Form. Now to add the integration, all I have to do is head over to Automation. And then here I can find the options called webhooks. Now let's add webhook. And to create a webhook integration, I need a webhook URL from a third-party application such as Zapier or sureTRIGGERS or a custom API. So let me go to sureTRIGGERS and create a webhook URL. So I'm in my sureTRIGGERS account. This is a free workflow automation software. So let's go ahead and create a workflow. And when I click on add trigger, this will ask me to select Formester. Now in the select event, I have three options. Either I can trigger this webhook whenever a new form submission is created, or a form submission is updated, or when a form submission is deleted. Let's go with created and let's click on continue. And this is my webhook URL. So all I have to do is copy this and head back to Formester. And here I can drop in the endpoint URL and again select the event to be created. And when I click add webhook, now a webhook has been integrated. Now let's go back to the show triggers and click continue. So this is asking me to carry out a test submission to basically create this workflow. Let's go back to Formester and let's publish this. So I have carried out a test submission. Let's go back to show triggers. And here, as you can see, the new submission is over here. And this is the submission, and it has the fields over here, the email, phone, IP address, and many more. So let's just hit save. So the trigger has been created. Now all I have to do is connect it with another app. So I have successfully connected my HubSpot CRM account with show triggers, as you can see. Now let's hit continue. And here I can fill in the details using the @ to recall the basically the data from Formester form. So I have the name, I have the first name, I have the last name, and I can also pull in their email address and etc. etc. So let's hit continue and then save. So basically, whenever a new form submission is carried out, that information in the Formester form will get updated in your HubSpot CRM, and I'm using the show triggers webhook URL to carry out this. So that's it for the short tutorial. If you found this to be valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And as always, I will see you in the next video.